Welcome back to my channel Physics Magic by Habib. Thank you for watching my channel and subscribing my channel. And in yesterday's lesson, we discussed work, power, energies introduction, especially work introduction and work done by a constant force in that different cases, and with some numericals I explained. And those numericals I have taken from the previous NEET examination questions. So surely I hope you worked a lot on that and you are now confident. If you get the question on that concept, surely you will be getting 4 marks in the final NEET. Now, if anyone missed that video, I am giving the link in the description. Please watch that video. You will be getting a very good knowledge of the introduction of this lesson. Now let us start now lesson 2. And today we are going to discuss another very important concept and the continuation. That's a work done by a variable force. Then in this case also we have 2 different cases. When force position equation is given, how? When force time equation is given, how? These are only the 2 cases. Maybe majority of the students are waiting. Habib sir, you give the formula. That formula is enough. Like that you may be thinking. But listen guys, formula is temporary. Concept is permanent. If you learn the concept, you can do any question. That's why you concentrate on this. So there are 2 different cases. First I will discuss about when. The first case is this one. The force position equation is given. Force position equation is given. Then how? Let us discuss. And in this one we have 2 different sub cases. Surely if you learn this concept, you will never do the mistake in this question. That's, please listen. First of all, let us suppose, actually the concept is this one. Work done by variable force. So this is actual concept of today's. And in this one, the case 1 we are discussing, when force position equation is given, how? For this, let us suppose a point is considered here and a force is applied here. Say F bar is the force and a small displacement I am taking as ds, and theta is angle between them. Then due to this force, here the force is varying both in magnitude as well as direction. Force is changing in both magnitude as well as direction. So only at one particular instant I am taking. At that case, force applying force is F bar and the small displacement I am taking as ds. Then the small work done by this one is dw is equal to F bar dot ds bar. Force is F, ds is the displacement. So F bar dot ds bar, basic fundamental. Then total work, if you want to find out, say it is starting, the case starts at A, ends at B. So I am finding the total work done from A to B. Then you have to do integrate of this. Don't confuse. Don't worry. When integration comes, your heart will go down. Wow, we have to do integration, we have to do differentiation, nothing more. Basic introduction, basic integration only. You will do it, don't worry. So A to B, F bar dot ds bar. Then I can say integral A to B, then F cos theta into ds. And you know well here the cos theta already the angle we have taken. So component of force in the direction of displacement is f cos theta and ds I have taken as it is, then if you find like happily you will be getting the work done by a variable force. This is one simple context. Say for example, if rectangular components are given in terms of rectangular components, how we will do? I hope you understood this one. But generally, questions in NEET will come on rectangular component concept. So let us see what is this rectangular component. Say f bar is given like this here, fx into I cap, fy into j cap, fz into k cap. This is force vector in rectangular component or rectangular terms. Then displacement I am giving like this, s bar is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. And you know well what to do. 100% I can say like this here. Then in simply you can say ds means you have to write here ds. Small displacements I am taking. That's why ds, dx, dy, dz. Simple. Then work done will be equal to, just we have done integral f bar dot ds bar. Then just substitute this. Then what you will get here? I am not extending the equation. Just focus. You will understand that. Dot product means what you have to do. You know well. I dot I is 1. J dot j is 1. K dot k is 1. So no need to write those I, j, k's here. Then if you take I dot j or I dot k, it becomes 0 only. So no use of that. So only you consider these terms only. But I dot I is 1. No need to write. But fx dx. Fx dx. Then plus j dot j is 1. No need to write. Fy dy. Then the last term similarly fz dz. So by using this, happily you can do. But the limits are from x1 to x2. This is from y1 to y2. Similarly, this is from z1 to z2. Over. How simple it is. So in case of variable force, if you want to find out the work done, only this case you will get. So in this case, you have seen very clearly. I will take one numerical and I'll explain you so that you will get more clarity on this. But before that, then the second, in this case only I told you two cases are there. This is case 1. This is case 1. Then what about case 2? In case 2, case 2 means not main case, in this sub case. So in sub case 1, remember guys, every time we have to revise. We are not supposed to feel that got it written on the book enough. Don't feel like this. You just recall once again. In case of that, I gave you small element we have taken, and the dw is equal to integral f bar dot ds bar I wrote, then f cos theta into ds I wrote. There ends the matter. Then rectangular component, in terms of rectangular components I explained you. So those two I think registered, right? Then the second subcase in this one is, sometimes they will give force displacement graph. Force displacement graph. Guys listen, everything is important. If the question is not coming from that particular model, definitely question will fall from this model. So in this, if they give, say for example, if it is given like this, a graph is drawn between force versus displacement, then how to find the work done? In this case, if graph is plotted, f dot versus s bar, means the distance you can take, not only displacement, but you can take as F versus X. Then remember how to find work done. Work done is equal to area under, as S is only taken, let it be Fs, area under Fs graph. Remember, this is very valid for you. Previous integral fx dx plus integral fy dy plus integral fz dz. That formula is very important. And the second one is graph. If graph is given, simply you have to find out area under that particular graph. You will be getting that answer. So, if a force position equation is given, only these two models you will get in the exam. So, you are perfect. If we do some questions on this, if we do one or two numericals on this, then you will be get some more clarity. But before that, another second case I will discuss after explaining some numericals on this. Let us do a numerical. Remember guys, this numerical is not a simple one. Asked recent in the last year NEET examination only, this question is asked. How simple it is? Let us see. A force F is equal to 20 plus 10y acts on a particle in y direction. Made very simple. So no x direction, no z direction. Only in y direction it is moving. So if you take y component, that is enough. Where F is in Newton and y in meter. What is the work done by this force to move particle from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 meter. So we have already seen in the concept A to B it is moved A to B, but here they mentioned it is 0 to 1 meter. How to do? We have simple method. W is equal to integral f dy. I didn't take x and z also because it is not given. No need. So simply f dy. What we have written, dw is equal to f dx. But w is equal to integral of dy. Now you got it now. So simple. So f dy, but range is given 0 to 1. So that is written. How simple it is? Is equal to, in place of f, 20 plus 10y. 20 plus 10y dy 0 to 1. Carefully you see, nothing to worry about the integration symbol. Very easy. Is equal to 20 dy 0 to 1 splitting. That's all. I'm not doing any other thing to explain you. Otherwise in 1 minute we can do this or half a minute we can do. But I want to explain you. That's why I'm writing separately. So 20 dy written. The next integration 0 to 1. 10y dy. Very easy. It's equal to 20 is constant written outside, but integral dy is nothing but y. Integral dy is nothing but y. It's a 1 0 plus then 10 integral y dy. Yesterday I told you x dx means x power n by n plus 1. So y power 1 by y power 1 plus 1, y square by 2. If x power integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Am I right or not? So this is the formula which we used here. So here is 1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So it is nothing but y square by 2. It is 1 0. Just simply you substitute here. So I am writing this continuation here. Otherwise I write that side, because if I write here down you cannot able to see that. So simply 20. Y means first upper limit you substitute 1 minus lower limit 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 20, 20. So W is equal to 20 plus 10 into Y is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2 minus 0 is substitute. 0 by 2 is 0. No need to take this. Only this you write. 1 1 square is 1. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2. That's it. 2 goes 5 times. 20 plus 5. 25 joule. 4 marks. 4 marks in 2019 NEET. That's why I told you. If you learn the concept, you can do this. And I am going to 100% give you one more question to get some more clarity. You just note down this. So this is the second question which will strengthen your concept. Here I made it a bit difficult. The previous one which is asked in a NEET examination was so simple, but it is lightly tough because here 3 coordinates I have taken, where in the previous question only 1 coordinate. But if 3 coordinates are taken, how to do that? Same concept now. Then solution, let us do. W is equal to, you know well here, integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This is first for x component. That is, I am directly writing here fx dx plus 0 to 1 fy dy plus 0 to 1 fz dz, because 3 components are given, 3 I wrote. Earlier only 1, that's why I wrote only 1. Now simple, fx is nothing but x square, then x square dx plus second one y dy. How simple. Observe how I am doing, how I am taking. First component I am taking here, then dx, then y means y component, y is given y itself, then dy is here I wrote as it is. Then the third one 0 to 1 fz is nothing but z dz over. How simple it is. Now x square, you know well what we have to do. X power n integration is equal to dx, of course, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So power is 2, then 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Simple ma, simple. So x cube by 3, but limits are 1 0. Then plus, just you did y square by 2 1 0. Tell with me. You may not be in front of me, but you can say very simple the third one. I know that many of you are saying, that's I am writing here, z square by 2 1 0. So 1 if I substitute here, 1 cube is nothing but 1, then 1 by 3. Anyhow lower limit is 0 only, no need to consider. If you consider also 0 you will get here, so no need. Then plus, this is 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2. 1 you have substituted, 1 square is nothing but 1 by 2 minus this limit we have to substitute, but it is 0, no need to write. Then plus 1 I have substituted here in place of z, then it is 1 by 2. Once again lower limit 0, no need. Then LCM if I take, so it is 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, plus 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 plus 3, then you are getting here 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 by 6, that is nothing but 4 by 3. Therefore W is equal to 4 by 3 joule. This is what you know the answer what we got for this. How simple it is. I hope no need to repeat. It's a waste of your time. So if maximum case 3 components will give. If 3 components are given, this is the process. I hope you understood this. Let us move to the next question. Let us see in the same case if graph question is given. And this question is also previous question here. It is 2011 NEET. So you can understand the concepts which I am giving, how important those concepts are. So in 2011 NEET, this question as it is came. But many of the students might have left that question because of tension. Graph means graph. How can we do? How simple it is. It won't take more than half a minute time. Just I told you one formula I gave you. solution I'm doing here. What I gave, ma? Tell me. Work done is equal to area under Fs graph. So this is force and this is a distance. He only gave force F on a particle moving in a straight line, whereas with a distance d as shown in figure, then find work done. So this is y component is force and x component is d and graph is given like that. These dots no need to consider, the solid line only the original movement of the particle. Now if you take that the area under Fs means just concentrate. This is the area covered by the graph. Under the graph only this one. Somebody will take this one also. No, here dots are there means it is not particles part. Particles differ. Particle related is only the solid line. So that's the reason why only that area I have taken. In that two diagrams are there. One rectangle you can see here. You can see this one. I am just over drawing this. This is rectangle. Then this is triangle. Then you may ask here also, sir, this is also not a solid line. Then how did you take? This is also a dotted line only. How did you take? But this line is there. So close the total you take. So how much you are getting that area, that we have to consider. So that's why for my convenience I have divided this whole trapezium into a rectangle into a triangle. Otherwise directly you can use trapezium formula. But I am taking this rectangle and the second one is triangle. And you know that W is equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle over then area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length is this one 3 meter to 7 meter. How much it is? From 0 this point is a 3 meter distance. From 0 this point is 7 meter. But we need only this distance. So total 7 minus 3 you do, you will be getting 4 meters here. 7 minus 3 4. And this is 0 to 2 means this is 2 meter. So very simple, 4 into 2 we got here plus triangle half into base into height. Everyone familiar. That's why I told you basic mathematics plays a very vital role. But everyone familiar about area of rectangle, area of triangle. So no need to worry. Then half into base. Base means this one. This one. So this is 7. This is 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So total here to here 12, here to here 7. But we need only this one. So 12 minus 7, you got 5. Then height is same, 2 meter only. Therefore half into base 5 into height 2. Then just simply you cancel these two. Then 4 2s are 8 plus 5, 13 joule. How simple it is. It is just like if anyone asked you, what is 2 2s are? 4. Simple. Such simple. So concept maybe you are feeling difficult. But listen, if you understand. Now my students 100% will do. If a graph comes, they will easily find out the work done by that particular graph question simply by finding the area. Now one more model let us do, you will get some more clarity. We will take another example, slightly different. So if you do that 100% graph question, anything if you get, you will do it. 2 twists I kept in this one, 2 twists. What are those? I will tell you. First you take, find the work done. Basic concept you know earlier, majority of you I think starting also doing this question. Very happy. Now in this one, 3 diagrams are there. Solid line starts from here and going like this and going like this, going like this and ends here. So definitely this is totally solid line means this total should be considered as its area only. So total 3 diagrams are here. One is rectangle, another one is triangle, and third one is another triangle. So let us suppose this is area 1, this is suppose area 2, this is suppose area 3. So as per our discussion, work done is equal to simple A1 plus A2 plus A3. But here only small twist. These two are in the positive axis. That's why simply we have to add. But the third one came in the negative axis. That's why you have to write here minus. Wantedly I explained you like that so that you will never do the mistake. Now thing is very easy for you. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Now data do you know or not? Let us see. Length 0, 1. So difference will be 1 meter. Happy. Then 2, 1 distance. Once again this is also 1 meter. Happy. 2, 3. So this is also 1 meter. You please write down clearly because you can stop the video and happily you can note down that, analyze and do. But don't expect a formula and simply substitution. First this data if you know, you can do it. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter you got. Why? 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Here it is 20. 0 to 20 means this is 20 only. Normally this should also be 20. But the problem is this is not given. This is not given. This value not given. Here it is given. But this is not given. When it is not given, how will you find this area? Half into base. Base is 1 meter. It is clearly here 1 meter. But this is not given. That's why we have to find that. In order to find that, let us suppose if this is angle theta, this is also angle theta, and both angles are same, then I can take this is a right angle triangle. Then tan theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. I am writing here tan theta is equal to opposite 20 by 1. Very simple, Amma. Your mindset. That's why I told you, do everything with confidence. If you do with confidence, you will never feel that it is tough. Very simple. Tan theta is equal to 20 by 1. That is 20. Same tan theta here also you write. Because tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite we don't know. Let us suppose it is x. Then in this triangle you can take tan theta is equal to x by 1. Opposite by adjacent. So let us suppose this one I am writing up in order to give the clarity. So tan theta is equal to opposite by that. Opposite is x and adjacent is 1. But this tan theta from here we got it is 20 by 1 is equal to x by 1. Therefore x is equal to 20. You got it? Now thing is very simple. Therefore work done is equal to area. Start 20 into 1. 20. Because length into breadth. Second one. Half into base. 1 into height. How much? Base is 1. Height is 20. Then minus A3 means this one. So once again same formula. Half into base is 1. Height is 20. Just you found this x value as 20. Then 2 goes in this 10 times. 2 goes in this 10 times. Then this 10 gets cancelled because plus 10 minus 10 0. Therefore work done is equal to 20 joule. How simple it is. Only mindset. Take it positively and just improve your confidence. Surely this kind of questions you can solve in the exam. Let us do the next question. Right. So you have seen 3 models of questions. When force function of position is given, how we have to do? We have seen case 1. Now I told you there only one more case we have. That case is case 2. That is force is function of time. Earlier we have taken force is function of distance. Here x. But second model is force is function of time. If this kind of question is given, then how to do? How we will do? If you integrate also you cannot get. So that's why this model also very important. In this case, simply you substitute F is equal to ma. You're all familiar. Newton's second law. Force is nothing but ma is equal to F of t. Whatever the equation is given, you will write like this only. Don't worry. I'm going to explain you with the help of an example also. Then A is equal to Ft by m. Acceleration you found, but we need work. Find the work done. This is also work concept only, but variable force is given. Force is changing with respect to time. Earlier, force was changing with respect to distance. This time, force is changing with respect to time. If this concept is given, then you have to follow this method. Very simple. A is this one. But you also know that A is equal to dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is nothing but Ft by m. That implies V is equal to differentiation. If you remove, you know you have to do integration. In detail, I can write further also. Lot of steps we will get unnecessarily. That's why I'm not writing. dv is equal to dt. You take that side. Ft by m into dt. But I need only velocity. Therefore, velocity is equal to integral dv. That is equal to integral Ft by m into dt. You got it. Because once velocity if you find, you know well here work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy, he will give limits. Initial kinetic energy you have to find. Final kinetic energy you have to find with the help of V. Then simply you find out work. This is the method. So if force is varying with the time, this method you have to adopt. You are not supposed to use that method which we have done earlier. This is the clarity you have to understand. How conceptually you are becoming strong. If you learn concepts like this, who will stop you in scoring marks physics? Just let us see one example. Okay, let us explain. Let us understand the concept with another example. You see here, earlier force with the distance I gave in that case. So in this case, force is changing with the time. That is what the mean of force changing with the function or changing with the time. So in this case, how to do? Method is same. Already I told you. So let us go to the solution. Then F is equal to 12 t square plus 2. But I told you method is common. Ma is equal to 12 t square plus 2. But m is given 2 kg here. No need to write like small kids, and these lessons I am not explaining in detail because this is a crash revision. That's why I am explaining directly. So m is given 2 kg. We will write the 2 here. Otherwise here only I will write here. A is equal to m. I am taking this side. Then I am getting here 12 t square plus 2 by 2. Then you will be getting here A is equal to 6 t square plus 1. You got acceleration. The next step you know well here. This is nothing but dv by dt. A is nothing but dv by dt. Therefore, V is equal to integral 6 t square plus 1 dt, and variation is 0 to 1. Time initially 0. Then now 1 second. So 0 to 1. I think no confusion. 6 t square plus 1 I got from here. 2 goes in this 12. 6 times plus 2 by 2 is 1. So 6 t square plus 1. But A is nothing but dv by dt. Therefore V is equal to, I have shown already in the previous conceptual explanation how we got this. Now simple is equal to integral 6 t square dt plus integral 1 dt. Remember guys, for you only I am writing this much of splitting. Otherwise it is half a minute question. Then it is nothing but 6 I am writing outside, and you know well here t cube by 3. Many times you did already. 1 to 0 plus t 1 to 0, because here 1 integration of 1 means whatever there that we will write here. Then simply you substitute 1 here. So 1 cube by 3, it is 1 by 3. Then minus limit, we have to substitute lower limit. But lower limit anyhow 0 only, no need to substitute. So 1 if you substitute here, there you will be getting 6 into 1 by 3 plus 1. So this 1 is here. So what you are getting from here, 3 goes in this 2 times. That is nothing but 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3 meter per second. What you got? Velocity you got. But our job is not only finding the velocity, but we have to find work. And you know well here, the work done formula already I told you. Work done is equal to half mv square. Therefore, work done is equal to half into m to v. 3 square means 9. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, work done is equal to 9 joule. How easily we got, you see here. Just like a play. I didn't apply any mind also there to solve that. Very simple. And I am not explaining you just like that, which are very easy to you. I have taken the help of all previous NEET questions only. So you have seen how easily we are doing this. If you learn the concept, success is yours. So today you have learned work done by a variable force. So two cases are there mainly. Force may change with respect to distance. Force may change with respect to time. Force if changes with the distance, what happens? We have shown in the case 1 along with examples. Force if changes with the time, what happens? I explained in this case. And in the force variation with the distance, graph concept is also there. So totally 3 you have learned here along with examples. Now I think you are very strong in this concept and 100%. Hopefully, as I told just now, I am explaining by keeping in my view of your NEET 2020 only. That's why detailedly I am not explaining. Which are very important to you, that one only I am explaining. And if you follow this, if you understand this, if you practice this, no doubt, success is yours. Let us meet in the next class. Tomorrow class, conservative forces, non-conservative forces, potential energy curve, very, very important things we are going to discuss in the next lesson. Don't miss it. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.